light industrial applications through a wide variety of pile sizes, attachments, and competitive pricing. Goliath Tech piles are used in projects such as decks, porches, solar applications, walkways, homes, and sheds. Now we've designed a product that is specifically used for modular and manufactured homes and complies with both HUD and FEMA requirements. In this training, we will cover a broad overview of how a certified Goliath Tech installer plans and installs the piles below ground, how to install a manufactured home on the Goliath Tech system, and some of the benefits to using piles over traditional solutions. The pile layout is based on the specifications provided in the home's installation manual. The installers run a string along the line where the piles will be installed, marking the placement of each pile with a stake along the string line. Final layout approval will come from the homeowner, property manager, or a certified manufactured home installer. After the layout is approved, piles are installed by rotating through the soil, generating torque, which determines load-bearing capacity, lateral capacity, and uplift resistance. The torque is monitored during installation via a digital monitor and/or PSI gauge, receiving real-time data from the torque pin attached to the motor and the excavator. The pile is installed to the predetermined torque needed to achieve the load-bearing requirement found in the home's installation manual and signed off by a local building official. Extensions are used when additional depth is needed to achieve torque. Depending on the diameter of the pile used and soil conditions, stars may be required to increase lateral capacity. The star is slid over the pile and a custom sleeve is added to the pile motor connection to push the star 12 inches below the soil. Perforated sleeves are then placed inside the piles, allowing the home to be driven over the piles. An installer then directs as the home is driven into place, ensuring the I-beams are lined up with the installed piles. Once the home is in place over the piles, the installer raises the inner sleeve and attaches the hex head and the I-beam plates with the bracing fixture pointed towards the opposite I-beam. Then, locking the sleeve to the desired height by attaching 4 bolts connecting the lower brace fixture to the pile and sleeve. The bracing fixtures will be used to fasten the lateral bracing after the home is leveled. The installer then temporarily places the home down on the piles to unhitch the home from the truck. They then raise one side of the home with jacks and remove the wheels. Then, each plate is water leveled, making height adjustments by either rotating the I-beam plate or turning the hex head. The jacks are then lowered to set the home on the I-beam plates. The same process is repeated for the other side of the home. Once the home is leveled, the I-beam plates are secured by sliding the top plates over the I-beam and tightening the bolts. After the home is set, the installer will attach the lateral bracing to the fixtures and create tension by turning the hex nut. The home is now set and securely anchored. There are many benefits to using piles versus traditional concrete footings. Fast installation allows the home to be set and secured to the foundation in one day. Verified load bearing and uplift capacities eliminate all other requirements for anchoring the home to the ground. The adjustability of the I-beam plates makes quick work of leveling the home and provides ongoing adjustability at each pile location for the life of the foundation. Piles are both removable and reusable, leaving no mess to the landscape and even offer protection against frost heave in cold weather climates. All these benefits add up to significant cost and time savings. For more information about